Hello and good morning. In today's video, let us look at love marriage or a Gandharva Vivaha. Here we are talking about a boy and a girl who went away from their homes and got married without informing or involving their parents, and their parents came to know about it after the event was done. Now, the parameters for a love marriage is already mentioned in my 7th Bhava parameters, but to recap, it is the 3rd house, 3rd lord, 5th house, 5th lord, and 7th house, 7th lord will give us a love affair. Self-effort and courage, emotions, and a union will give us the love affair. If this combination is blessed by the 9th house or the 9th lord, then this blessing will become a marriage, or it will culminate into a marriage. The Dasha Bhuktis during the time of marriage will always be favorable. The transits is what I have seen is a little different. The transits at the time of marriage where they have not informed their parents and gone away and got married, the transits at that time influence either the 5th or 9th or 11th. Okay, right, then these are the thought processes to keep behind before you look at a love marriage. Now this native is a female native born on the 20th of March 1984, 15 hours 45 minutes in Calcutta. The Lagna is Simha Leo, and the 3rd lord Venus is in the 7th house, and the 7th lord Saturn is in the 3rd house. There is a Parivartana Yoga. Both the planets are retrograde, which means to say they have the courage to do unconventional acts. Now it is also associated with moon, which shows that they have again a runaway attitude. Moon is a movable planet. Now, Saturn is exalted and is aspecting the 5th house, Jupiter, the 5th house as well as Jupiter. Therefore, the parameters for love affair is given. Now, to culminate into a marriage, I need the 9th house. The 9th lord is Mars, and Mars aspects Venus and the 7th house. Saturn in turn aspects the 9th house. So the 9th house is aspected by Saturn and Moon. The Mars, who is the 9th lord, is aspecting the 7th house and Venus. Venus is also the Karaka for marriage. Now, the Dasha Bhukti at the time of marriage for this native was Saturn Mahadasha and Venus Bhukti. The Navamsha of this young lady was, the Navamsha is in the 11th Amsha, and Mercury is in the 7th Bhava from the Navamsha Lagna. Navamsha Lagna is clean. The transits at the time of marriage, Jupiter was in Pisces and Saturn was in Virgo. Jupiter in Pisces will aspect Mars, the 9th lord. Saturn in Virgo will aspect the 9th lord in Scorpio. So both Pisces will aspect Scorpio, Virgo will aspect Scorpio, Jupiter and Saturn are aspecting Scorpio, where the 9th lord is posted, thereby fulfilling the double transit. I hope this video was useful to you. Do watch again for a better understanding. My next video will be on love marriage male. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.